how to contact Wire Messenger support. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on Wire Messenger and need help with your account or the app, then you can contact the Wire Messenger support. First of all, open the Wire Messenger app or visit the Wire website. Whichever you are doing currently, just open up the platform. Make sure that you're logged in, and once you're inside, go to the settings icon at the bottom right corner if you're using the app. Inside the settings menu, tap Support. Under Support, select Contact Support. Now once you do that, on the next page, choose your category from the drop-down. Select the category that best matches your issue you are currently facing. Once you make a selection, you can then go ahead and fill in the rest of the details, including your email address, account type, subject, the description, and any attachments or screenshots if they can help explain the issue at the bottom. Just go ahead and fill in your request. Make sure to type in your email correct. Also mention your subject, describe your issue, and attach any documents if you have it, and finally click on Submit. So, after you do that, you've successfully contacted the Wire Messenger support. Providing accurate details about your issue will also help the support team assist you more efficiently. So that's it. Thank you for following along. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.